Hello everyone. In this video we are going to write just 5 lines of code and we are getting our desired word or sentence whatever you need in the console screen. So without wasting our time, let's get started. Here I am using the basic ideally for Python, which is ideally Python 3.1.0. So here is the ideally, and right now I am creating a new file where I am going to code here. In this video we are using the turtle module. So first of all we are importing our module. So import turtle. Okay, next, and we set the color at first. So turtle dot color, then we should what I'm let's black. Okay, and bracket close. Next, I should create a style for the word or sentence what I am writing over the console screen. So right now I am giving the style equals to in first bracket, and here I have to give a single inverted comma, and in that part I will take uh, courier, and after giving a comma I will put the size, and then I will choose the font. Let's take italic. Okay, next I have to close the bracket over here. Then the main part, uh, what I am going to print in my console screen. So for that, turtle dot write in the bracket, I will give a inverted comma, and inside the inverted comma I'm writing my name, or rather than okay, name, and giving a comma. So NT front equals to, I'm giving the style over here. Okay, style I've already done. Then the alignment, obviously. Okay, so the alignment equals to, I will put in center. Okay, so center, done. Now the last line of this code, turtle dot hide turtle, and it's a function. Okay, hope it's work. Let's run it, and I have to save at first. So I will put in my desktop, and here is my file, which is a Python, and I am writing Apurvo. Okay, work done. If you want to change over here, amazing, save it and run the module, you will get the desired output. Okay, next you can change Apurva Sarkar, save it, run it. In just 5 lines code, we have written 2 words, and as you can see, I have already written here the 2 words of my name. You can also print a sentence over here. Okay, so that's for today, guys. If you really like this video, please comment it, like it, share it, and please subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in next video.